On a sunny day like today, sometimes it can be difficult to get the exposure right between the sky and the land. Sometimes if you get the sky exposed correctly, the land's too dark. But if you expose for the land, the sky can be overblown. Freewell sent me a packet of these new landscape series filters for the Mini Pro. They're gradated. Half is dark and half is light, and it's on a rotatable lens, so you can actually turn it wherever you like. And this may be the solution for the problem of exposing the land and the sky correctly. So I'm going to try them out and compare them with a standard ND filter, an ND64 from Freewell, and no filter at all. And let's see if this type of filter can balance out the exposure between the land and the sky.
My friend, the skies are bright. I see orange light. I want you to know that I love you so. And I feel like gold. And I love you so. I'm gonna be alright. I've been caught in time. I want you to know that I love
So what do you think? What do you think about the new Freewell Landscape Series 2-pack? There's a GND 0.9 and a GND 1.2 in here. Did it make a difference? Did the footage look better with these new filters on? Did it look better with the Freewell ND64 on? Or did it look better with no filter at all? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to give me a wee thumbs up.